And go.
If you love me, honey, please smile for me.
Sorry, honey. I can't smile for you.
If you're smiling, you're out. No, go back to
Wait. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm dying here.
Jeff, you already lost.
Hi, honey. If you love me, please smile.
Can I cover my No, Ron lost already.
Okay, 30 seconds. Joseph, move. Joseph, 30 seconds.
Okay.
He skipped me.
If you love me, honey, please smile.
Not for you.
Oh, that's it. No, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Dang it, I
Yeah, you have to go back to him later. You have to.
Oh, no, quick.
Try.
Give me a challenge. Julie, give me a challenge.
Hold on. You better not make me smile. I'm serious. Teka lang.
Get off my grill.
He's not supposed to smile though. It's not fair. Whatever.
No, one more try. One more.
Oh.
You win, but one more try.
Dito.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know.
So, honey, please smile.
I can't smile for you.